Hi guys, welcome back to another video of easy tutorials, and today in this video you can see one Instagram logo on my web page. And let me tell you, this is not an image file. It is built using HTML and CSS that you will learn in this video. So let's start this video. Here I have a folder, and now I will open this folder with my code editor that I am using Visual Studio Code. First we will create one HTML file. Here you can go for new file and save this file as index.html. And here we will add basic HTML structures. After that we will create another file and save this file as style.css. And here we will add some global CSS, that is margin 0 and padding 0, box sizing, border box. After that, come back to the HTML file and connect this CSS file. For that we will add link, rel, style sheet, href and the file name, which is style.css. In this one we will write the title. So let's add the title: Instagram logo design. Easy Tutorials YouTube channel. Now we have to open this web page. For that, just come back to your folder and open this HTML file with the web browser, or you can open this web page with live server extension. So right now this page is blank. Let me change the size so that we can see the code and web page also. Like this. Now we will add one div here with the class name container. And for this container, let's add some CSS properties. Write this class name in this CSS file. We will add width 100% and height 100 VH. Now we have to add background. So let's add the background. After that, come back to the HTML file, and here we will create another div and let's add the class name Insta. In this Insta, we will add another div with the class name Insta inner. Copy this class name Insta, write it here. So for this one, we have to set some height and width. So let's add the width of 270 pixel, height also 270 pixel. Then we will add background. So let's add the background, and here we will add a long background code. I will add this background code in the description so that you can just copy it from the video description. After adding this, you can see one gradient box at the top left corner. Next we will add border radius. Let's add 54 pixel. Now you can see some radius. Next we have to move this box in the center of this web page. For that, in this container we will add display flex, align items, center, and justify content, center. Now you can see this box in the center of the web page. Let's check this on full screen. You can see it is looking good. Next we have to add another box, and there will be a white color border. So in this Insta, you can see we have another class name Insta inner. Just copy this one, write it here in this CSS file. For this one, we will again add width and height. like this. I'll add 200 pixel and 200 pixel. Next we have to add border. So here we will add border 18 pixel, solid and white color. Now you can see a white color of box. Next we have to make it in the center. So again copy this 3 lines, display, align item and justify content, and add it here in this Insta. Now you can see it is in the center of this box. Next we have to add the border radius, copy this one and paste it here. Now it is good. After that, again we have to create one circle inside this box. So let's come back. Within this Insta inner div, we will add another div. So let's add another class name, Insta inner 2. Copy this one and paste it here. Now for this one, again just copy this and paste it here. We will change the width, it will be 100 pixel, height also 100 pixel, and border will be same, and border radius will be 50%. So it will be a circle. Now you can see one circle here. Again we have to move this circle in the center. So copy this 3 line and paste it here in this Insta inner. Now you can see this circle in the center. After adding this, next we have to add one dot over here. So this dot will be in Insta inner corner. So copy this one and here we will add after, and in this one let's add content. It will be empty. Then we will add background. It will be white color, and width it will be very small. So let's add 22 pixel and height also 22 pixel. You can see one box here. It is very small, a square box. Next we have to make it circle. So here we will add border radius 50%. Now it is a circle. Next we have to set its position. So before that, in this Insta inner, here we will add position relative, and in this Insta inner after, we will add position absolute. Then top 0, right 0. You can see it is over here. So we have to add some space from top and right side. So let's add top 15 pixel and right also 15 pixel. Now it is looking good. Let's open this web page in full screen, and you can see this complete Instagram logo is looking good, and it is made using HTML and CSS. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.